Okay.
Easy peasy. Damn, baby, wax that like earwax.
That is the type of wax, Thomas. You're right.
I'm not hanging that up. Nice control, brother. Grab one.
Stage right.
Take two. Now rear burn.
Thanks, Thomas.
Keep it up.
Yeah.
Alright. Beautiful. Well, we've done all three bonuses. You're at gate 3.
Yeah, commit or don't. Although the final gates are not far from the bonuses. After the hell hole. Oh, wait.
I don't know where you're going.
Over here.
What up, Riley?
Truck running again? What was broke on it?
That's a fair question.
I didn't even hear what he said. This course right here is all orange cones, except for the bonus. You have a bonus right here, they're green cones. There's a bonus upper left that's green cones. There is one bonus that's orange cones. Right there next to gate 8, 9, and 10.
Not right now.
So just be aware of that.
Don't forget. Progress 6.
How's my time?
240 it is.
Hell hole.
Oh man. You're not kidding.
Ow, that was an ankle. Stabbed me.
Yeah, we'll just hang out. Progress 7.
Maybe once like 2 or 3 drivers are done, they can move progress to the next course. Huh? Well, as soon as Logan's done here, he could go there.
Yep. We still have 1.
We could do that too. Yeah.
Oh, I want to hang out and watch.
You gotta go to church at 5?
I'm trying to go boarding, so sooner I'm out.
Yeah. That is the other way.
No, it's not.
Oh, no, it's not.
This is...
Oh, it is that way.
Oh, shit.
Oh, it's, yeah. It's
I thought it was the other way.
Well, I broke planes. What does that mean?
It doesn't matter.
yeah.
You're the first one around.
For some reason, I was thinking I said it the other way. My bad.
Time?
Yeah.
What's his time?
55 seconds.
Yeah, we'll take 10 seconds off of that mistake.
That's fine. You can have time. I don't care if you have time.
Exactly, that's why I said it.
Negative 40.
Ready?
Are you ready, man?
Yep.
Let's go.
What else are you gonna do, Connor?
What's up?
What else are you gonna do today? I gotta clean a bathroom, and then probably play on my simulator. Yeah. Hopefully. Unless my wife doesn't look fine for my wife. Oh well, we're gonna go just take her too. Doing stuff like that. It's cute.
Pause time. Timer out.
30 seconds.
We'll resume. Where are my banoosh nooses at, Con? I hit one.
You just did one, the rest are at the end.
God, I love that noise, dude.
Yep. Over.
Do a little fork.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be harder than it is. There's 8. 8's up here. It's in the cracks. You have a bonus to your left right there. You have a bonus to your right there. Thinking of it now, that would have been a cooler bonus to the right. It's doable. No. No.
Crack, how much time I got?
Yeah, 3 games.
It's the auto response, man. How much time I got?
2 photos.
Okay, I'm gonna grab a picture for the gram real quick. Story, damn it. Follow me at West Desert Wheeler. Hold on.
Alright. 218 left with negative fitting.
Okay, well, let's go.
Reefs.
Progress. Here's down over here. Cut this off, Nick.
Doesn't look too bad from up top. Nice. Progress.
Show you some weird shit.
Yep. Nice. Progress.
Okay, 4 is an up. We agree?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
I don't know. You're up and you're
We're about to run it up.
It makes more sense to be up.
So it really does make sense. Alright, cool.
Progress.
Don't fail me now.
Progress.
6 for your balance.
Stop me. No.
Because I'm having a good time.
I don't know any other words of that song, but those are a couple first ones.
Something about Lady Godiva. Destination fucked. Hell yeah, that was cool. Yeah, that was cool. Progress. If you wanna have a good time, just give me a call.
We'll see if this car goes up this wall.
Nice. Bonus comfort too.
I'm having a good time. I'm getting them all. Eat them. Woo!
Yeah.
7, and where's 8?
8 is right there.
Progress.
Yeah, 8 looks spicy. Oh wait, that's 9. Where's 8?
8's right here.
Oh, 8's right here. So come down, or come straight.
Oh, that ain't it. Rear, it goes downhill. No. Read, bro, dude. I'm not getting out of there.
Pull it. Touch. On you.
Okay. Let's see. Came in 4-wheel drive. Got it.
Asher.
The boots. Warming them up. Got a minute on them. God, that's gnarly. Just getting the gnarly. Reverse.
I'm about to lose my battery. Fuck.
Asher.
Reverse.
Reverse.
Good God, Wyatt.
You're at 30 seconds.
can't climb this, dude. It's way too steep.
15 seconds.
The end. That sucks. That sucks.
I think we should make 10, 9, 9, 10.
You're at positive 24 on that one, Logan.
Damn, I had a good run gun too.
Yeah, that was good. Alright, I'm gonna go.
If I could have just got 9, dude.